These are the elevators at the Orient Road Garage at Seminole Hard Rock in Tampa, Florida. The copyrighted music is pretty loud, so I'm going to talk over a bunch of it. We're going to go down to 1, and I believe that it looks like it's staying on. Never mind. Here we are at 1. We're going to go back up to 5. There's actually 2 banks of elevators here that I believe are just like this. The garage is pretty much split in 2. There's 1 bank of elevators here, and there's another bank of elevators on the other side that is not as easily accessible. We're going to do a cab view with the door shut. And let's see if we can ride another elevator. I got on another elevator and took it down to 3. You have this white bar that says casino, although it's really worn. So there's your inspection certificate, which is probably pretty much the same as the other elevator. So we're gonna go back up to 5. Again, really loud music, but I guess it's not really that loud, but when you're trying to not have a video get demonetized, it is. Anyway, let's ride the other bank. Just to show you, there's 1 bank here, which is right next to section 5D of the garage, and there's another bank here, which is around the corner, but you'll see that it's not easily accessible from this side of the garage. Just to show you, there's this gap. So let's go walk all the way around. Here we are at the other side. I'm actually going to make this a separate upload since I realized they're very different. And if this video gets demonetized, maybe the second one won't. That'll be it.